Make it hot.
Hey, hey, hey. What's good, y'all? It's your girl Tristan2U.
What's up? What's up? I'm the husband, John, aka Diesel. But we ain't gonna talk about that right now.
Alright. Yes, I know. I look real. But get over it. Okay? Okay. Um, we're opening our Love with the Food box.
It's that time of the month again.
Woo! We got the deluxe box.
Oh, deluxe. I'm just saying deluxe though.
And here's what's all in there.
But
Okay.
yeah,
Alright.
this is our first time opening it too, so this is all surprises.
Yeah.
We ain't looking nothing beforehand, so we just going with the flow.
Yep. Last time we opened it before and I wasn't too happy. So this time I didn't open it and so far it looks good. As always, it comes with a card.
Oh,
And we're going to go with the first thing. The first thing is...
I think these are like animal crackers, but they're states, so state crackers, if you want to hold that up.
Dick and Jane Educational Snacks.
State crackers.
Yeah, they're
state
state.
crackers. Let's just call them state crackers. That's what's up, though. I mean, I like animal crackers.
Yeah.
I mean,
States and capitals. I can kind of guess what this tastes like.
especially when you was a kid, who didn't like animal crackers in their lunchbox? Well, I have a lunchbox. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Anyway.
He wasn't about that life, y'all.
Anyway, so this is actually different. It's kind of cool. So this is a fruit spread, and it's apricot, and it's organic from Fedor Fruta.
You know I'm the wrong one to pronounce stuff, boy. Give me that.
That's different. So they gave us some spread, and it's cute because the packaging is in like a little jar. That's cool. Show it to the camera. That's dope. Just do it.
Here, people, because I'm not supposed to see it either.
Nah, man. I was just talking about it. I wanted them to see it, like as I was talking about it.
Yeah.
Don't judge. Just put it up to the camera. That's cool though. I like the
Get
packaging.
off me, man.
Nah, man.
Alright. Made good. Apple cinnamon granola bar. Now, I might actually eat that.
Probably organic, ain't it?
Give me a second so I can show it to the people.
Copycat.
Organic.
Yeah.
With vegetables.
Yeah.
And it's safe to take to school because it's without peanuts and tree nuts.
Oh, that's cool.
That's good. Oh yeah, I'm definitely eating these. Gluten-free pretzel twist by Glutino. Always gluten-free. So I guess this this brand, Glutino, everything they make is gluten-free.
Sweet. Oh, this could be for both of us. This is a drink, actually. A powdered drink, and it's strawberry lemonade flavor. And it's a pitcher pack. So 3 pitchers per box. That's cool. Sorry about that. Brother had to sneeze.
24 servings per box.
That's cool. That's the first time. We didn't have a drink last time, did we?
No.
That's different. Well, I know you're not going to eat this, so I'm going to let you talk about it.
Emmy's Organics Vanilla Bean Organic Coconut Cookie. It's organic, it's gluten-free, and it's vegan.
And it has coconut in it, so it's mine.
You just wanted to point that out. And it has coconut in it. It's mine.
I just had to let y'all know it's
Yeah,
mine.
this is mine.
Oh, that's different. Sweet. So,
Oh, I didn't know that was chickpeas.
these are chickpea chips, and they're cilantro lime flavored. And they're by Maya Ketmal. Kemal. That's different. These names are throwing me off today. It's also gluten-free. Oh, I got her picture on the back. apparently she has a line of stuff. That's cool. She got spicy ketchup, tiki masala sauce. Oh, she getting it in. But yeah, that's the packaging. If it's close enough for you to see. Thanks for this. Sis. Cilantro lime. That's good.
I don't know how I feel about that.
We'll try it later.
So, 1 potato, 2 potatoes, sweet potato chips, plain Jane's. Plain Jane. Sweet potato chips.
That's cute. The picture's kind of cute.
It's cute. I'm not a fan of sweet potato chips. I've actually had them before. So I'm not a fan of them.
Like that specific kind? Or just in general?
Pure growth organic cheddar monkeys. So I think everything in here.
It's kind of child oriented. Bless you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Is organic, no GMOs, made with real cheddar cheese, no artificial flavors, baked in the USDA organic. Cheddar monkeys. My nails are changing colors.
Oh, here's another snack for me. The original Chimes. Toasted coconut chewy toffee with sea salt. Made with fresh coconut milk. Man, I can feel this getting stuck in my teeth already, man. Oh my goodness. Probably gonna be good though.
My face.
Yeah, definitely was disgusting.
Yeah, toasted coconut chewy toffee with sea salts. And it's gluten-free and vegan. Of course. Which I guess is a good thing because that makes it so that everybody can eat it. You know, carnivores, gluten-free, you know, people that have gluten allergies, vegans, vegetarians, everybody eats it. What?
This ginger candy in here, that thing gonna be hot.
Yeah, it is gonna be hot.
Oh my goodness.
He's talking about these. It's 2 of these little. Oh God.
One of them.
It's these little ginger candies. If I can, I'll probably post a picture. Yeah, because it's kind of hard. But
yeah, I tried ginger candy one time. That thing, I didn't expect for it to be like it was. That I put it in my mouth. I was like, whoa.
So it is good. Ooh, blood orange.
I don't even know what it is.
Blood orange something.
Maybe it's like chocolate or something.
I don't know, but the packaging is pretty.
Why don't you pop it open? We ain't eaten anything. Let's just pop it open and try it.
Correction, I have eaten.
You've eaten? What you eat? I didn't see it. What you eat?
Oh, that's good. It's chocolate. It's chocolate. That's good. What is this, gift card?
A wine voucher. She kind of likes wine. Ain't no kind of. She likes wine.
I like a. I was about to be so black and say Pacific.
I think you like. Is it Pinot?
Pacific.
Like Pinot Grigio. Pinot Grigio. Well, I don't know how you say
Moscato.
it. Oh, Moscato.
Moscato.
I was all.
But I'm not gonna put the code and password up here.
I don't want you to.
But I will show you.
Wine.
Got a $100 wine voucher.
You ain't gonna spend it though.
Boy, that's free money. By nakedwines.com. Delivery included.
Know what we about to do after this video is over, huh?
What?
This one is an almond toffee. This is the second toffee thing we've got.
Mm-hmm.
Milk chocolate. So this is also gonna get stuck in my teeth, but definitely gonna take that ill.
I don't eat toffee, so and it's almond, so. But it's a lot more stuff in this box than last box that I would eat.
Yeah. She ain't gonna be struggling this time. Just look at me.
Yeah, and again, I don't want to say I'm not a picky eater. The only thing is, no, I don't like nuts, coconut, cherries, because it tastes like cough syrup.
You don't like bananas either.
And bananas. But you think about it, majority of the stuff you get has coconut, nuts, You know, coconut, nuts, nut flavored, banana, or cherry. Not that I'm a picky eater, it's just that majority of stuff that is produced, I don't eat.
She's a picky eater. Mad at the facts.
Man, give me them daggone things, man. Gummy snacks. I do like gummy snacks.
Who doesn't like gummy
I love gummy snacks.
Everyone should love gummy snacks. They're gummy snacks. And they're organic, of course.
Yep, mixed berry, go organically. Yeah.
Sweet. I think that's it with the food, but I think we have like little cards and stuff to go with it.
Yeah.
Probably some more free stuff.
Some more cards.
Oh, we got some. Ooh.
But yeah, that was our box from Love with Food.
Sweet. It was cool. And I'm glad she can actually eat some of the stuff in the box this time. And we took the liberty of going on Amazon and ordering stuff. So I bought a snack box from Japan. So that's coming soon.
Yeah, stay tuned for that.
And also, we're going to try
a surprise.
Okay, well, I guess it's a surprise.
A surprise.
So,
my subscribers will see it, so I suggest that you subscribe to me.
It's going to be cool. You probably going to look at us like, really? And I'm like, yeah, man.
So, before we end, I want to try these chickpea chips.
You can definitely taste the cilantro in it. You taste that, and then you get a hint of lime on the back end.
I made that because these are good.
Cilantro is good, like especially like if you get like tacos, how they put like the sprig of cilantro on the top. If you're in a restaurant, it's good. It's refreshing.
This is good.
I like it. Yeah.
This is good. One more time, y'all. And it's a pretty good size bag. I mean, it's like any bag is.
You know, a little bit. There's some air in it, but it is what it is.
But I mean, simple size.
It was so nicely packed in here.
Yeah. It's not crushed or anything.
I know. They packed it so beautifully.
Yeah, they're all still full size. That's what, oh, I didn't even show what they look like or nothing.
Oh, you just eating it?
I'm just eating it. Okay, y'all. I got y'all. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh.
Can you see the consistency? Yum, 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 yum. Eat it. Num, num. Just numb it. Just numb it.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
But sweet. That was good.
Hope you guys liked our video.
I'm saying.
We are who we are, you know.
Yeah. I wanted my hair to like slick down, so that's why I put mine on. I didn't want my hair sticking up, so yeah.
I just ain't feel like doing mine right now. Take it or leave it. Like me as I am, as we are. But this is us. This is me. This is Tristan. But as always, it's your girl Tristan2U.
I'm Jay, aka Diesel. She wants me to say my name as well.
I did. So, we are signing off. See y'all guys next time with our next box. And stay tuned for that surprise because you're going to want to see it. You are going to want to see it, okay?
I'm kind of dreading it, but I'm excited in it.
I'm like
excited at the same time. But yeah, it is what it is. I made this decision.
It's something y'all wouldn't even guess. Y'all wouldn't even be guessing that we're going to be doing. But we doing it. It's already ordered.
I know.
It's coming. And we're going to do it. So, stay tuned.
I know. Thank one of our favorite YouTubers for this.
Yeah. Shout out to Emmy.
Yep. Facts.
All right, y'all. We out.